In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove an authorized user from your Bank of America credit card account. This is a quick, straightforward task, but there are a few details that will help you get it done smoothly and avoid any surprises. You'll need to make a phone call to customer service, since online removal is usually not available. Grab your card so you have your account information handy, and call the number on the back of your card, or visit the bank's official website to find the correct customer service line. When you're connected, let the representative know you're the primary card holder and that you'd like to remove an authorized user from your account. Before they proceed, they'll verify your identity as the primary card holder. Be ready to confirm standard account details. This step protects your account, so answer carefully and only with the information they request. Once they've confirmed you're the account owner, clearly state which authorized user you want removed. It helps to give the name exactly as it appears on your account, and to clarify that you're not closing the account or cancelling your own card, just removing the authorized user's access. Next, ask the representative to confirm the removal on the spot. The change typically takes effect immediately, which means the authorized user's card will stop working as soon as the update is processed. It's a good idea to ask for confirmation details and to note the date and time of the call for your records. If you see any online or app options for managing authorized users, keep in mind you may still be asked to call to finalize the change. After the removal, make sure the physical card issued to the authorized user is destroyed. The safest method is to cut through the chip and the magnetic stripe so the card can't be reused. If the authorized user has any recurring payments or subscriptions tied to that card, remind them to update those right away to avoid declines or service interruptions. You might also review your account over the next few days for any pending charges that were initiated before the removal. One more tip: authorized users can call in to remove themselves if they prefer to handle it directly. And if the authorized user relies on the card for building credit, they should be aware that removal can affect how that account shows up on their credit report. That's it. Call, verify, request removal, and confirm. Handle the physical card responsibly, and you'll be all set.